Today I am going to talk about how to use ChatGPT. For the beginner, you need to sign up first. Those who already have ChatGPT account, they can log in. So for login, you need to use your mail ID. So here you see, if you don't have an account, you need to sign up. So you need to put your password here. Then continue. So you can start a new chat here by clicking on new chat, or you can start from here. So you just ask what is in your mind here. So let's see. Let us, as everyone need to write letters, let us write a letter to your friend right now. So let's see how it's generate the letter for you. The most important thing is that this is an unique letter. You will never find this letter in anywhere. Every time you ask him to write a letter, same letter, he will give you a different one. So this is the power of ChatGPT. So if you wanna write something else, if you need to write a cover letter, you can write it. Okay, we can write a joining letter now. Write a joining letter to suppose Facebook. Okay. See how it generates the letter. So you can stop generating it. You can ask to write anything. Suppose I'm asking him to write a Python code for adding the digit 1 to 100. And it's also explaining the code. That is the beauty of ChatGPT. See how it's working. So most of us may think that ChatGPT may take the place of human in future. Actually not. This is future may give the right answer, but at this position it will not be possible because there are a lot of things to do by human. And regarding, if we talk about regarding coding, there are much more difficult code to solve, and there are much more steps involved in coding, and there are much more inputs, and there are some variables which you need to define. So these are some difficulties now, but still it give you a better idea about your tasks. And sometimes it may give you result which is not expected by you. So for this you need to understand everything as a human being. You need to understand everything, and you need to verify whether it's work or not. You still now you can't totally depend on it. So that's how you can open an account in ChatGPT and do your homework. I think do your daily works using this software. It can also help you to learn Python code or any other source of code, but still now you need to run those codes in a different platform like Jupyter Notebook and see whether the code is okay or not. So that's it for today. Thank you.